Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo A95 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down and mark backup and reset. Then select reset phone and mark erase all data. Draw an unlock pattern then to confirm and select erase data one more time. Okay, so I thought I marked cancel, but now just wait a couple of seconds, up to 1 minute, then you will be able to use your device again. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.